This program is brought to you by the Reeves Law Firm, representing you and your Social Security and disability needs. If you have a problem or questions regarding Social Security and disability, call attorney Anthony Reeves, toll free at 1-888-962-0007. Again, that's 1-888-962-0007. Or go to www.reevesfirm.com.
Welcome to another edition of Q&A Social Security Disability Today. I'm your host, Attorney Anthony Reeves. Let's get to your questions. Is there anything that can be done about a rude vocational expert? Okay. Short answer, no. And let me kind of tell you why I say short answer, no. And I'm probably not the best person to ask, and probably most attorneys who do any type of either hearings or trials are probably going to tell you we're not the best people to ask, because the reality of it is experts are hired based on their personability. They're not there to be friendly. They're there to answer particular questions about certain things. And in the case of your Social Security hearing, a vocational expert is there to testify, one, about your past work, and two, the impact of a person's age, education, work background, and their functional limitations, i.e. physical and mental, on their ability to do other jobs or even their past work. And this is where one of those situations where I tell people, you probably need to have a representative with you when you go in here, because most people don't know what to ask these experts. We do. Representatives, we cross-examine experts all the time. Some of the experts are friendly. I've run across some who are a joy to work with. Some of them are straight nasty. and it's not nasty in a mean sense, but yeah, in a mean sense, yeah. But the reality is that, you know what, they don't have to be personable. What they have to do is answer the questions in accordance with their expertise and the information that they have before them with regards to the dictionary occupational titles. In other words, long story short, they ain't got to be nice. They just got to make sure they tell the truth about what I'm asking. And so, but a lot of times what happens is you'll get a few people who are, not to be nasty, snarky or chippy or just nasty or even rude. And it's the nature of the beast. But it's no different from having a judge that way, having a representative that's like that. It's more of a personality thing than anything else. Here's where I tell people all the time when they go in and they have themselves in a situation where they think they can handle it on their own. If you don't know how to properly question an expert, you may put yourself in a worse situation. And to be honest, there's no way I or any other rep can kind of train you how to do that. That's why we're reps, because we're trained on how to do that. We know how to ask certain questions, and more importantly, we know how to get certain information out, even when we're dealing with a slightly difficult vocational expert. And I'll be honest, in my years of doing it, I've only run across a very small percentage. Most of them are the consummate professionals. I've dealt with a lot of them on the East Coast, West Coast, South, and quarterly in the Midwest, you name it. And I cannot stress enough, if you're not familiar with how to ask the proper questions, or even more importantly, knowing what the proper questions are, then you're not going to know whether or not that individual is giving you testimony that is either helpful or harmful to your case. So not to be rude, their personality, whether they're rude or not, is the last of your problems. Your most important thing is, do you know how to properly question them in such a way that you can get testimony that may be helpful to you? Because if you don't, you might need to get a representative. Again, this is Attorney Anthony Reeves. Hope you enjoyed this edition. Can't wait to see you again.